Is this a hack or is it whack? It's a hack. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's me, D Wood, and it's been a little minute since I've bleached my hair, obviously. So today, that's what we're gonna be doing. So if you're interested to see how I cut, bleach, and style my hair, then stay tuned. So y'all, it's been a long time since I done picked up this camera, but I figured I'm about to bleach my hair and try a hack. So I gotta show y'all. So what I'm about to show you, you might think I'm crazy, but I heard that it works. So a subscriber, I had mentioned like under one of my videos of me doing my hair that like bleach be burning. When you scratch your hair the day before and then you bleach your hair the day after, it be burning. So she, well they, I'm not sure if their pronouns, but they commented under my video saying to use some Sweet and Low. So me being me, I'm like, I'm a DIY diva and this seemed like some DIY stuff. So I asked my cosmetologist friends, if they'd ever heard of this, and they all was like, yeah, like you really could do that. So the whole gist of it is to put a couple packets of Sweet and Low. Like they say that it has to specifically be Sweet and Low, like the pink pack. To put about 2 packs of this inside of your bleach mixture, and it's supposed to eliminate any tingling or burning or like scalp sensitivity. So I'm gonna try it. I'm no professional. I ain't never went to school for this. I'm just a DIY diva and I be trying stuff to get the results that I want. Also, another reason that I'm interested to give this a try is because when I first decided I wanted to go platinum, I couldn't achieve the color because I had to wash my hair out so soon because I could not keep that bleach on my raw scalp to be able to lift my hair light enough. So I'm curious to know if this is like the secret sauce. Honestly, I don't see how this could go wrong. I mean, I kind of do, but we gonna try it anyway. And I'm bringing y'all along. So yeah, girl, if your scalp be burning and you feel like you can't keep that bleach in your head long enough, then stay tuned. First, what we're gonna do is cut this pink off. Y'all haven't even seen me with this pink hair, child. I had green hair and then I just slapped the pink on top of it. I think the last time I bleached my hair was late May, like maybe the 26th or the 27th of May, and today is August 1st. So I get a lot of questions asking how often I bleach my hair. Around that time frame, I try to hold off as long as I can because I don't really retouch my roots. I just cut off all the bleached hair and restart. That's how I'm able to do it. That's what works for me. So that's the process I've been using for the past 3.5, almost 4-ish years. Ooh, I miss that noise. It's like music to my ears. If you know, you know. So before I jump into this, I just gotta let y'all know, again, I'm no professional. I'm a DIY diva. So, yeah. This is so satisfying. Oh, and I just love the way the clippers feel against my head, like that vibration. Whew. Alrighty, so it's time to bleach now. I'm gonna put on my glove because that's just how I do. I also get a lot of questions on what bleach or what lightener I like better, and to be honest, they all kind of do the same thing to me. I never, like, I don't really have a favorite right now. But I have been using blonde solutions lately because I just have so much of it and I do like it. I think I'm gonna just do two big thick scoops. So that's 2. And for my developer, I'm also using blonde solutions. This is the 20 volume. I also want to add that I have been purposely scratching my scalp. And when I was combing it out, I did it kind of rough because I'm curious to see if this is gonna like stop the burning. I really hope it does because I'm banking on it. Because like I said, I have been scratching my scalp and I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold this in my head if it starts burning. So this is what my bleach is looking like right now. So I guess it's time to go ahead and add in the Sweet and Low. So I'm gonna do just 2 packs of the Sweet and Low. I believe when my subscriber mentioned this to me, they said 8 packs. But I've only really been seeing people use 2. And when I was asking around to my cosmetology friends, they all just said like a few. So in my eyes, a few was like 2 or 3. So I guess I don't know, do I want to do 2 or 3? This would be my issue, y'all. I'm so indecisive. I guess I'm going to do 3. All right, so I got my Sweet and Low packets right here. They're all open and they're going right in. A part of me really want to add another one. I really think I might, if we being honest, because I've been scratching my hair for real. I'm going to just add another one. I put 4 packs in total. I don't do no measuring. I don't know how much bleach this is. I don't know how much developer I put in here. I don't know the weight, none of that. I literally just eyeballed it, poured it with my heart. And again, this is my first time doing this, y'all. I am a DIY diva. I am not telling y'all to do this, but nobody told me to do it, but I'm trying it. So if you got the balls, then go for it. All right, so this is the final mixture. It looks regular. Let's go ahead and throw it in his head and see what we get. What I will say is that I don't smell it. Like normally, y'all know I be coughing by this time. Like the bleach be so strong. What time is it? Do I feel any burn? The smell really has died down. I'm trying to see if I feel any burn. Okay, it's still bleach, I will say. Yeah, them fumes. Yeah, that's still bleach, baby. I feel a little burn right here. It did a little tingle. And the fumes are definitely in my eyes. And I still went around my edges and put a lot of Vaseline. Because that's just my standard habit. And if this doesn't work, I don't want to have burns and stuff. So I feel a little something. I ain't gonna lie. I do. If I had to rate it on the scale, 10 being I gotta wash this out right now, and 1 being I feel absolutely nothing, I would rate this a 4. This is what we're working with. Like I said, I'm still feeling that tingling. I'm gonna wait it out my full process and I'll report back to y'all and let y'all know what's happening up underneath here. All right, y'all, so I am back. And it's been 1 hour and 40 minutes. I did not mean to let it process this long. I really just wanted to stop at an hour just to kind of see where it was at. But I got distracted. And TikTok is to blame. So I'm about to take this off. I'm gonna wash it out right now regardless. I will return and you guys will see what the hair color looks like after my first round of bleach. I also feel like this second round of bleach is gonna really show me if this Sweet and Low is working or not, because I know for a fact that once I come back to bleach this again, it's gonna burn regardless. So we shall see. All right, so this is what we're working with that first go round. I'm trying to figure out if this is a stain from the bleach, because y'all know it has like that blue undertone, or if this is a burn. It's not sensitive or anything, and that has never happened to me before. And I put Vaseline on my scalp, so I don't know why that would even be a burn, but I'm a little bit concerned. So I'm actually kind of annoyed because I don't know what this is on my face. I don't think I'm gonna do another round of bleach right now, mainly because I don't want to burn my face. Yeah, I think we're done for today. Okay, so I went away for a little bit and had to get my mind right, but I am in better spirits and I'm mixing up another batch of bleach to do my second process. But this time I'm gonna just use regular old 20 volume developer. And this time I'm also gonna use 8 packs of the Sweet and Low. So we gonna see. Now, I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep this in my head, because if it burns, it's OV. But if it don't burn, we should be good. So this is what my bleach is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the 8 packs of Sweet and Low. Gloves on as usual. I really hope this doesn't burn. I just have a feeling my hair is not gonna come out right this time, because I don't know, I'm just not feeling too confident today. It's burning. It's burning. This is burning. It's not working. It's burning and I can't take it. Child, I literally could not keep that bleach in my head. It was burning way too bad. My feelings are hurt. Like, for real. My feelings are really hurt right now. Hey y'all, so it is a new day. I decided to do a voiceover because clearly you could see it in my face. I was not in a good mood. I decided to try the Sweet and Low hack again, and I just didn't have any faith. But this time I used a bit of coconut oil just to kind of base my hair. I added conditioner inside of my bleach mixture, and of course I used Vaseline for my edges. Instead of using blonde solutions, I just went in with the OG L'Oreal Quick Blue and 20 volume developer. This time around I added 4 packs of the Sweet and Low, and y'all, it actually worked. This was my 3rd time putting bleach on my head, but technically it's just my 2nd full process, and I felt no burn at all. Like, I felt no burn at all. Hey girl. Girl, but I'm using regular old Quick Blue today, and it's actually working. It's not burning. I don't feel nothing.
With the Sweet and Low?
Yeah. I'm gonna let it sit because it's my 2nd process, and you know, on that 2nd go around it will burn.
Yeah.
But I'm not feeling anything, and it's,
well, that's good.
well, I didn't want nothing. I just called a check-in. That's it, girl.
Good.
Say hey to my people, girl. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I switched bleach and used Quick Blue. I put a little bit of conditioner. Y'all saw me do that. 20 volume developer and 4 packs of the Sweet and Low, and it's not burning. And this is my 2nd process. Like, I have no urgency to even put it in my head because I'm like, it literally feels like lotion. So maybe it do work, because y'all know on that 2nd process, it burns like hell. But today, I'm not feeling anything. It literally feels like lotion. Like, no burn at all. 100%, this is basically lotion on my head right now. I can say that that Sweet and Low works. Maybe it depends on what kind of bleach you use and what kind of developer you use. Maybe the Blonde Solutions bleach and developer is not a good bleach to try this with, because this literally is not burning at all. And I was sure that this was going to burn because typically my 2nd process starts to burn. I'm feeling this so far. I'm really happy with the results so far. No burn. We're going to wrap this baby up in a little Kroger bag. Make it do what it do like normal. If I have to bleach it again, like if the color ain't all the way white like I want it to, I feel like I will be okay to bleach it again. I have enough developer, and I feel like the Sweet and Low really did work. So I'm going to leave this in for my hour and change like I normally do. We're going to come back and see what the hair is looking like. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after the 2nd process. Still very yellow, like I thought it would be. So I think I'm going to do it again. Just to clarify, this is about to be my 3rd full process. Okay, so I'm here to report. No burn. No burn at all. This time I put 6 packs of the Sweet and Low in my mixture. So it literally just feels like a deep conditioner. Like, it feels cold, but like that's normal. But no burn, no tingle, no irritation. So we might have did something. No burn at all. So what I guess I can report back to you guys is it does not work with Blonde Solutions. And I have a feeling that Blonde Solutions kind of already has like their own like technology within that bleach in like their system anyway. I went and switched back to Quick Blue. So I guess you just got to use regular developer and regular powder. Anything with like its own technology may not work. But yeah, this is my 3.5 time bleaching my hair in 2 days, and it's not burning at all. All right, so this is the final product. Y'all saw the whole process. I don't feel like this is my best bleach job, but it's gonna have to work, and I mean, it's still pretty good. Final thoughts and final conclusion with the Sweet and Low. So it definitely did not work with Blonde Solutions. I think Blonde Solution kind of has their own technology inside of their products. I'm not sure, but it really only worked when I use basic, y'all saw, when I used the Quick Blue and the regular Clairol developer. It worked like a charm, I will say. I was able to bleach my hair 3 times. Like I said, y'all, I ain't telling y'all to do this. This is what I be doing, okay? I don't want to say I'm not afraid for my hair to fall out, because I am. Like, who just want their hair to fall out? Nobody. But I be thugging it out. And if you know, you know. If you are a DIY diva when it comes to this blonde hair stuff, then you kind of share the same mindset. Like, you just try it, and I mean, most times it come out good. I do not think that was a burn that I had on my head. I definitely think it was a stain because, well, I have makeup on right now, but it's not there anymore. And it doesn't hurt. I literally forgot about it until just now. So it definitely was a stain, not a burn. Thank God. Would I recommend trying this if you're up to it, if you're down for it? Yes, because it really did work. Like, I'm telling y'all, when I figured out how to use it, it did not feel like anything was on my head. It literally just felt like lotion or like a deep conditioner. It did not burn, not one bit. I didn't feel not one tingle. I was able to edit, and I kind of forgot it was in my head. So that's a good thing, because nobody wants their head to be on fire. So when it comes to how many packs I used, honestly, I'm not gonna say I don't think it matters, but I guess I'll just say 4. Maybe start with 3 and then see what that does. But even when I used 8 inside of the Blonde Solutions, it did not work. When I came back and used 4 in the regular Quick Blue, it worked like a charm. So I guess 4 is the number that I'm gonna be using. Is this a hack or is it whack? It's a hack. If you try this, please let me know how it works for you. Shout out to my subscriber for putting me onto this and suggesting this to me. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for yet another video of me bleaching my hair and risking it all. If you made it to the end of the video, please drop some white heart emojis in the comment section down below. I'll meet y'all in the comments. Let's talk about this hack, and I will see y'all in the next video.